Smile in my heart. That's why every time people see me, them feel happy because my smile inside of my heart. And when you see me, you say love.
True.
Nice.
You understand? Me have a man come to you and keen into it. No, waste of time that.
Yeah.
Hypocrite that. You know,
You've
live
been
your
in the
life.
business now for how
Long
long?
time.
For over 20 years?
Yeah,
What
man, me had-
moments?
Me I do more than 30 years now.
Yeah,
in
man, a
business,
long time, man.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
So out of all of that, outside of, you know, the stage shows and everything, is there a specific moment that still stands out to you that you'll never, ever, ever forget?
Well, you want me know. The most standout moment for me when I turn Brother Desmond, you know.
Yeah, exactly. That's
So what happened to Brother
How
Desmond?
that happen though? Like what happened? You walk in a church, a pastor preach a very good message, you get convicted. You decide to baptize same time and
Man. Me no walk in a church, man.
okay, you go church.
God send me go do what he want me to do, man.
Okay.
So are you still Brother Desmond?
God anoint me Brother Desmond from the day me born. My name
Right.
is Desmond John Valentine, you know.